Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure pause code in ViciDial. So what is pause code? Pause code is means that whenever your agent is taking a break, or like if they are trying to pause the calling, okay, at the moment, so they can select a reason and the reason will be appeared on the report. Like if we go to the report section, so as you can see it's saying that status is paused, so it will appear over here the reason why they are on paused. Okay, so they can select a reason. So how you can configure it? So to configure that, we have to go to the campaign and you have to select the campaign where you wanted to configure the pause code. So let me show you that I have already logged in over here. Okay, so let me log out and then log in back.
You are currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so right now as you can see I am on pause. Let's say I go to the active and then due to some reason I wanted to go back to the pause, and then I can simply go back to the pause. And if I do that, there is no reason, like it's not showing that why I am going to the pause. So you can add a reason or add a it's same like a disposition. You can show that why you are on pause and same thing will be appeared on the report section. So let me just log out and then we are going to configure on this test campaign. So you can select any campaign you want. So I'm going to show you on the test campaign. So let me click on this. Now let's click on the details view option, this one. Then we are going to select this one, pause code. So this is the area we are going to configure. So over here it's asking that pause code and then name of the pause code. So let's say I have selected break and then say break and then click on the add. So the pause code is now created. Same way, let's say tea break, let's say okay. So we have created three pause code. If you wanted to add more, you can add more, same way that I have mentioned. So I have created a three pause code. One is for lunch break, one is for tea break, one is for technical issue. If they are facing any technical issue, they can select this. Now this thing is done. After that we have to go back to the detailed menu and search over here. Okay, so once you do that, you have to scroll down. Okay, once you scroll down, then you have to come to this one, agent pause code active. So by default it will be disable. As you can see it's saying no, we have to click and then we have to force. If you wanted to forcefully select them, means the agent have to select the pause code every time they are going to be on pause. So I'm going to select force, and if you scroll down and then submit. Okay, so the pause code is now configured. So let me show you that it's working or not. So I have already shown you that when I tried to go on pause, it was not asking any reason. But let's see right now if it's working or not. So I'm going to log in again.
Currently the only person in this conference.
Okay, so by default I am on pause. So let me go active. Okay, right now as you can see I'm on active. And let's see, for any reason I wanted to go on pause again. So if I click on the active button, okay, as you can see it's saying select a pause code. Select pause code. So you have to select why you are going on pause. Let's say I'm going for a tea break. Okay, I have selected a tea break, and if I go to the report again, over here as you can see it's saying tea pause tea. This is the reason I have selected. So you can understand that why this particular agent on pause, like maybe he is going on tea break. So this is how you can configure the pause code in ViciDial. So this is all for today. If you find this video any helpful, Please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a nice day.